If your Goodman AC is blowing hot air, the core issue is a disruption in the refrigeration cycle. This cycle relies on refrigerant to absorb heat indoors and release it outdoors, effectively cooling your home. The refrigeration cycle works by compressing refrigerant, condensing it to release heat outdoors, then expanding it indoors to absorb heat and cool the air. Common causes include low refrigerant due to leaks, thermostat malfunctions, airflow blockages from dirty filters or blocked vents, compressor failure, or electrical problems like tripped breakers or bad capacitors. First, check your thermostat settings. Make sure it's set to cool mode and at the temperature you want. Incorrect settings are a common cause of hot air blowing from your AC. Next, replace dirty air filters. Clogged filters restrict airflow, causing your AC to blow hot air instead of cool. This is one of the most common and easily fixable issues with Goodman AC units. Visually inspect your outdoor AC unit. Clear away any debris around it and make sure the fan is spinning freely. A blocked or malfunctioning outdoor unit can prevent proper cooling. Listen carefully for unusual noises, especially hissing sounds. This could indicate a refrigerant leak, which is a serious issue that requires professional attention and should not be handled as a DIY repair. Check your circuit breaker panel. Make sure the breaker for your AC unit is switched on and hasn't tripped. Electrical issues can cause your Goodman AC to fail to cool properly. If these simple checks don't resolve the issue, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician. Especially for problems involving refrigerant or electrical components, professional diagnosis and repair are essential. Remember, annual maintenance is crucial to prevent future issues with your Goodman AC unit.